My name is Bob Sinclair. This is Juliet Krause. She's a hooker from Estonia. Okay, we'll start over. Hey, red light, silence on the set. Shut up! Well, let's start by talking about my penis. Come back in an hour and a half and I'll just be finishing. So come on. Cut! Okay, I'm back. All right. So the background is tin, rusted tin at that, which we found in a recycling yard. And I just want to give a shout out to Pinterest, which gave me a lot of ideas for this camper. The kitchen, cut. The kitchen also features a lovely refrigerator and freezer, which is
compression.
What does it run on?
So it's going to jet.
I'm sorry?
Faucets. Take the faucets out. British people don't know what a faucet is.
What is it?
Yeah, what is it? It sounds like a cheap shag. It's a tap.
Other cute little features of the van, what they call mindfucks.
We might have to just redo that bit because I can't put the swearing in.
Yeah.
Isn't that bizarre?
Yeah.
But I can't say it. So, no mindfucking.
Say it with an O.
I'm sorry?
Say it with the letter O.
Folking.
Mindfuck.
Mindfucking.
That'd be alright.
Okay, so we oftentimes use the kitchen for butt fucking. I can see the outtake now. Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah.
What were we talking about? Oftentimes we fix mushrooms and cunt for dinner. One of the
I'll be back in a while. I'm just going to go and check my prostate.
my first wife was here for about 3 months. She couldn't understand why I was going to the gym 3 times a day to build up just my right arm. I'd like to talk a little about this knife. It's very sharp. This is a bottle stopper.
So for the heating of this van, we have a Webasto.
You want to tell them it's not working right now?
No, I'm leaving that part off.
Fucking broken, dude!
4 blanks doesn't work.
Around the side, it's squeaking against the tire, all the way around the side. Don't touch the bikes, John. He steals shit all the time.
It's a mouse trying to make an escape.
It's still,
A little field mouse.
because it's still squeaking.
Sandy and I love to bake, and so we asked for an oven that also has a grill, because what's life without grilled cheese sandwiches, right? 28 centimeter thick mattress with box springs, if you want to use numbers.
Yeah. If it starts to rain, we don't have to leap out of bed to close it, because there's a sensor in there. As soon as it senses one drop,
It was an emotional moment for me.
well, just say what you want me to say.
The motor's rated for 120 kilos.
Yes.
And by using a second pulley, it allows the motor to lift 240 kilos.
Okay.
Which was plenty for this. So just talk the doubling of the efficiency of a motor by adding an extra pulley. I think people that build campers love that shit.
And we can easily lift the bed now.
Brilliant.
Yes!
Well, there was a need to put a limiter switch so that as we're lifting the bed, we don't get rooftop sky viewing.
Yes!
Super.
a print that was given to us by a dear man named Jan. And he has two of his passions are photography and pipe organs, both of which he wanted to share with us.
The bag thing. Do our constitution in a bag and dispose of it in a proper way. So are you guys getting the picture here? We don't want to be too specific, but that's it.
And the demonstration will stop here.
Brilliant, absolutely fantastic.
We were in
This happens everywhere we go. This is
Yeah, did a video and
Oh yeah, Tabansha.
Even de hemel.
If you want to go in, look around, knock the elephant out. It's okay. We have a dustpan. We can clean this up. That's it right there.
That's it.
Bam! There it is. Here we are. Now just close your eyes.
Hey, be careful. Be careful.
No, it's supported. If the van is rocking, it means we're having fun.
Keep it clean.
This is, if you live out of a suitcase, you might as well live out of a suitcase. So this is close.
Daniel had a grandson.
Can you get it from that height? That is the sharpest fucking bush in all of Europe. Why not? Come on, man.
You fix me.
Be a man. Be a man. Do that. Do that.
How wide do you need?
In fact,
How low can you go?
In fact, I really can't.
What is this? Okay, I need to shorten it up a bit. I thought you were bigger. You probably heard that your whole life, and I'm really sorry. Is that okay?
Oh, bloody God, that's tight, Daniel. That's really tight, Daniel.
Staging insanity is not as easy as one thinks, is it?
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Wow, I love it here with these birds.
The tranquility here is fabulous. It's so calming and quiet, and Portugal is sunny and just lovely. Wow.
Hola Marcelo. Hola, ¿quién habla? ¿Cómo te va? Hola Rita de Garnica. Ay Rita, hola Rita de Garnica. Bien, ¿usted? ¿Vos sos de Garnica? Sí, de Garnica. ¿Te llamás Rita? Sí, me llamo Rita.
Put that on again.
Yeah, put that on.
And we're gonna dance
sound.
with you.
Yeah.
Oh, I do dance in public.
You do. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information on how you can help support us and keep our videos coming, then please do check out our Patreon page. There's also a lot more information and our blog on BeyondTheVan.com. See you soon.